Bretton Woods and the African economies. Can Nigeria survive another structural adjustment program? Ladies and gentlemen, let's ask Mr. Femi Falana, SAN, as I invite him to the podium.
Your Royal Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we're gathered here today to celebrate honor, to celebrate integrity and consistency. We are not here to celebrate Gani's wealth. He has some wealth. But what we are here for is to celebrate what he stood for. And I think we are going to live here today, determined as lawyers to shake the society. If Gani were here today, he would have said, we have talked enough. Let's now move to the street. In 1986, SAP was imposed on the country. By the way, it was imposed at the instance of the IMF and World Bank. And Babangida said there was no alternative. A few of us sat down with Chief Fawehimi and he said, yes, we are going to have an alternative to SAP symposium. It was to take place at the NSA office in Yaba. At the 11th hour, it was cancelled. So we have to move to Chief Fawehimi's chambers. From there, he was alleged to have committed an offense. He, the late Daisholari and Wahab Gullo were arrested. But from Panti, those two elderly men were released and Gani was taken away. He landed in Gashua. He almost died there. Now, what we are doing today, this is democracy, much, much easier for us to struggle. Lawyers led by the Keja branch must decide today that we should change this renewed hope, or whatever they call it, which is not going to help our people. But as for us as lawyers, when we are gathered there, we must tell ourselves some basic home truths. Your Majesty, we want to congratulate you for your victory in the Court of Appeal. Your opponents say they are going to the Supreme Court as far as the law is concerned. And it's so certain. And this is where the MDA must come in. Where the law has been settled. That the traditional institution is not a fundamental right matter. So you can't say, as a traditional ruler, you are going to enforce your fundamental rights in court. 2, the court again has made the point that the Federal High Court has no jurisdiction on chieftaincy matters. So if some of our colleagues are deceiving their clients and they are causing problems in the country, the MBA owes it a duty, MBA owes it a duty to begin to intervene and call our colleagues to order. Your Majesty, wherever they are going, whether Supreme Court or wherever, you have come to stay. And we must only have one Emir in Kano. We can't have 2 Emirs in Kano, 2 speakers in Rivers. This confusion must stop. Thank you very much.
Well, I think Femi Falana SAN deserves a louder round of applause. Okay, thank you. Well, over to you.